how can solve this square root math problem? Square root of 10 times square root of 10 is equal to 10 to the power x. X is equal to what? We have given square root of 10 times square root of 10 is equal to 10 to the power x, or squaring both sides we can write square root of 10 whole square is equal to 10 to the power x whole square, or this square root cancel out this square, so it will be remaining 10 times square root of 10 is equal to, here we can apply this exponents rule, a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power mn. Apply this rule, here we can write 10 to the power 2x, or again square root to again squaring to both sides we can write 10 square root of 10 whole square is equal to 10 to the power 2x whole to the power 2, or here we can write 10 square times 10 is equal to 10 to the power 4x, or 10 square times, here we can write 10 to the power 1 because 10 to the power 1 are same as 10 is equal to 10 to the power 4x, or here we can apply this exponents rule, a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Apply this rule, here we can write 10 to the power 2 plus 1 is equal to 10 to the power 4x, or now see, here two base are same and two power are different, so we can write 2 plus 1 is equal to 4x. Here we can apply this exponents rule, a to the power b is equal to a to the power c, then b is equal to c, or 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 4x, or 4x is equal to 3. Now divided by 4, both sides we can write 4x over 4 is equal to 3 over 4. This 4 cancel out this 4, so the value of x is equal to 3 over 4. This is our final answer. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.